Hello students, in previous video I have explained use of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. In this video I am going to explain omission of articles, means where we do not use articles. Let's see students, there are some words and places where we can't use articles. Start. Rule first. Before expressions like last night, last week, last month, next year, next month, before these words we will do not write articles. Like you can see example, what did you eat last night? Here is written last night, but before last night there is not use any articles. Means you will not use any article a, and the before this words like last night, last week, last month, next year and next month. Before uncountable nouns. Students, when I have explained that chapter countable and uncountable, then I told you before uncountable noun we will not use articles. Why? Because if we can't count any nouns, then how we can say it's one or two or more than one and more than two, whatever. Then before uncountable nouns we can't use article. Like sugar is made from sugarcane. You can see sugar is uncountable noun and there's not use any article. Okay. Rice and lentils are an important part of Indians' diet. Gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Like gold and silver, you can see, rice, you can see. Before these words we will not write any articles. Before abstract nouns which are uncountable. Yes, students, I have told you abstract nouns are always uncountable, but some abstract nouns are countable also. When I have explained chapter abstract nouns and countable and uncountable, then I have told these things. And if abstract nouns are uncountable, then we will not use any articles before that word. Like wisdom is more precious than gold. Here wisdom is abstract noun, but here not use any article. Like health is wealth, here not use any article. Beauty is admired by all, and here also not use any article. Then it means student before the abstract nouns that are uncountable. Some abstract nouns are countable, but some are uncountable. Students, before means abstract nouns that are uncountable, before that nouns we will not use any article. Before plural countable nouns, if our noun is countable but it's plural, then we will not use any article before that nouns. Like computers is countable noun, but here it's plural. Computers are user friendly machines. Books are our best friends. As you can see here, computers and books, they are countable but they are plural, that's why there's not use any article. Before proper nouns. Students, when I've explained chapter noun means proper noun, then I've told you before the nouns we do not use any articles. Like India is a big country and New Delhi is the capital of India. India and New Delhi, these are the proper noun, but before that there's not use any article. Like Nainital in Uttarakhand is a popular tourist spot, as you can see. Students, have you heard any time that anyone has told taken the or a or n before names, before your names? Like Ram, Raj, Kavita, Shoham, Vivek, all these are proper nouns. And you have never heard that anyone has took the use article before these proper nouns. Then in the same way, before proper nouns we will not use any article. Before the names of languages. Yes, like English, Hindi, German, all these languages, means all the languages, before the language names we can't use any article. We should not use any article. Like can you speak German? Many South American speak Portuguese. English and French are two most popular languages spoken in Canada. Like German, Portuguese, English and French, these are the languages, and here not use any article. Next, with phrases such as, students, I think you know about the phrases, means group of words which make sense but do not make a complete sense. Then before the phrases like by chance, by mistake, at home, by train, on foot, before these type of phrases we do not use any article. We met each other by chance. Then by chance is a phrase, and before that they are not use any article. My friend stepped on my puppy's tail by mistake, and before this there's not use any article. Before school, college, university, office, hospital, bed, when they are used in the usual or normal sense, means before when we use these words in a normal sense or in a general sense, then we will not use any article. Like my brother is in college, there's no need to say that my brother is in a college, it's wrong. Then before these words, when when we use these words as usual, normal or general sense, then we will not use article. Before names of meals when used in a general way, before the names of meals like lunch, dinner, breakfast, before the names of meals, when we use in a general way, then we will not use any article. Like father is making lunch, lunch matlab meals, student, means the food that we eat the food that we use, means lunch. Before these words lunch, dinner, breakfast, we will not use any articles when it is used in a general way. Before years, for example like 2010, 2017, all these before the years we will not use any article. No need to write a and or the. He was born in 2010, the film was released in 2017. Students, these are the rules where we should not use any article. It's very important, as it's important to know that where we use article. Along with, it's also very important to know where we can't use article, means where we should not use article. I hope students you all have understood. Thank you.